Hi and welcome, it's Daniela again, and I want to show you another layout created with the September kits. I used the papers and the fancy edge dies, and I also used papers from the Pocket Life kit, and of course I made use of the embellishments, and then I also used one of those powders from the color kit. Well, first of all, I want to show you, I had this picture and I wanted to pick all the papers that would be a good choice for this one. So I grabbed all the orange papers and also the papers from the Pocket Life kit. So you see the patterns here are a bit smaller, and yeah, here again we have the big one and the smaller one from the Pocket Life kit. And yeah, I want to make use of these papers, and I'm working with the die cut set. No, sorry, not the die cut set, but the die set that we can purchase this month. And I want to use this one and cut stripes from the Pocket Life papers. So this is the size that I'm going to use on my page, and also I cut off the edges from my white cardstock so that I can place it on a paper frame later. All right, so let's take a look. I started my page by adding a few color sprinkles, and I just used the Mango Mania powder from the color kit, mix it up with some water, and then just have some sprinkles and splashes here on my page. And if you want to, you can add more stains later when you see how your page turned out. And first of all, I just yeah, have these few just a few splashes and dry them up, and then I can add my paper stripes that I have cut with the die. And you see that here I just have three different stripes. I have a few of those orange ones, then the Vichy, or yeah, the lighter paper, and also just a single one with the black dots. And now I can start to have my embellishing done. So first of all, I place my picture on a piece of dotted paper, and I also add one of those tags that we get in the embellishment kit. And now I want to adhere the picture and then add a lot of embellishments. So I'm working with the flowers that we get in the embellishment kit as well, and we have a few flowers here included that have nice black and white contrasts, and those flowers are what I'm looking for right now. So I just add them here in two areas, and I also use these branches. Actually they are, oh, I use the reverse side of them. Actually they are green, but if you just turn them around you get this pale orange. And yeah, that is what I'm going for here on this page. And yeah, I also want to have everything set and fixed, and then I add a few more floral die cuts. We have beautiful orange and yellow ones here, and I want to combine them with another black and white pattern here. So I have the leaves, and then I add more colorful pieces and more black and white leaves. Okay, so let's take a look at the other embellishments. I want to have this typewriter here and then a few words, and the title of course will be built from the orange alphas. And I also want to have some of those foam stickers, and yeah, I just take a look at all my embellishments each time that I want to add embellishments to my layouts and see which ones have the correct color or a color that matches my cluster, and then I decide what to use on my page. The title is going to be ABBA Museum. I have been to Stockholm recently, and there, of course, I wanted to visit the ABBA Museum, which was a lot of fun. So I, of course, wanted to document this here on my layout. So this is the title, and yeah, now I can just adhere my embellishments because I want them to stay this way. So then I only need a few more details, and I want to have a few more stickers here on my page. So I definitely have to take a look at my sticker sheet again. We have these puffy stickers, so I want to use some of those. And then I, yeah, just want to make sure that there is nothing that I've missed. So I also decided to have this arrow here because I went there on Monday, and the Monday arrow is also in the correct color. So we have got an orange tone here as well. And now I just want to have some handwritten journaling and add it here underneath my paper cluster. And then, of course, I also want to add the date with a common date stamp. And yeah, then I want to adhere the few elements that are still loose. So I have to adhere here the flowers and the leaves, and you see that I swapped two of those leaves because I thought that the orange one shouldn't be just underneath the orange flowers. So we have the dark orange or red leaf there now, and I also have to fix those branches because yeah, first of all, I wasn't sure if I want to have them there in the end, but I think that this is a nice addition to the paper stripes that I cut with the die cut with the die. And now I tried different versions here of backing my white cardstock, and in the end I decided to have the black and white contrasts here again because we have so much orange on the page already. And this is what my layout turned out like in the end. Well, thank you so much for watching, and have fun using your kits. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.